Yung kuha, nasend ko na po.
And just fall in love again.
Ito na, nakasulod na kan, ma'am.
Di na ko na.
Ay, diri. Ay, 7 kan, ma'am.
Wala ha.
Wala mo kayo ano yun.
Madala kong pagkakas na iba.
Paano sa tita? Nagpapauwi, ano si ma'am? Hagis ba ga? Nagpapauwi, mag-save ka lang dito sa mga kay sa mag-ujak ko. Sa aga na lang daw, sabi. Reply ka na kan ma'am.
Sa kanon na lang.
Opo.
Hi, C. Hi.
Pwede na yun sa akin.
Hi, Kim.
Anong ko pa ito ha?
Pag sampa mo kan ma'am dito sa panel, hagis ang isa.
Parang pag-connect sa imo na ano.
Ay, search mo ako.
Ano na ito ha? Hindi sa YouTube.
Sheryl Ohm.
Mag-save ka lang muna tita.
Hello,
20K.
honey. Hi, honey.
Isa pa na sa ano yung silang dyan?
Kaya wag sa 7 na
20K, halimbawa 20K ang ubusan. Pero hagis-hagis kita sa
Hindi hindi mapalitan.
Huwag ka kamay ang kamay.
Mababalitan nyo din.
Pwede naman palitan.
Hello, good evening. Hi.
Ano ko si Mahagis kayo dito? Minsan pag nagagana ako sa hagis,
Subscribe mo ako para pag nag-vlog
nagagana
ako.
ka pa doon, madailang mo doon.
Subscribe mo na.
Pwede niyo? Oo. Pwede pa ako.
Bagay man pag nag-hagis.
Para pag
Kaya ma-level, madagdag mo 50 at level mo. May level mo pala. Kasi,
Masave ko lang extra sa din nakalive ako may red. Kaya din na yun.
And Brazil, Reginaldo Rossi from Brazil. Hi. Hi, Joss. Magano ka na sa mag-comment ka pa.
Ako din ako sa chat. Hindi na ako masabi ako.
pag ano tita, pag nag-hagis-hagis, all.
Hi sa 12 million people in the house. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Baga na ano.
Salamat po.
Pero, ano lang gani ma?
Hi, DJ. Hi, Josh. Hi, Josh. Yoda. Ay, Josh.
Tapos, hindi mo kasendan.
Hindi.
Kaya dapat iri na ka all. Halimbawa,
Yoda Bugor. Hi, Yoda Bugor.
hanggang doon. Ano lang. Kung sino ang pinindot mo doon mo, maraming mga hagasan mo.
DJ.
Kaya
Black F.
Pero yun na kaya
Black
doon.
FF.
Dapat silang
I love you, Didi. Who's Didi? Give me number. Number of.
Sige, sige, sige lang.
Nag-chat ka. Nag-comment ka.
Ano ba sabihin ko?
Thank you for the 14 million. How much is rent in province? Why? Why Jig Smith? Where are you from, Jig Smith? How much is rent? SLA, SLP.
Mayan, tita, mapilit ka lang. May pwede inahagis ba na egg? Tapos ba mo naman,
Mura ka pa, ano?
Ulay sa dihaw na number 7.
Good evening to all. Hi! Please keep my mom.
Isa nagaga naman doon.
My sister, Gam Brudes. Him. My sister here.
Minsan may balik niya
Where are you from? From Philippines. Hi, ma'am. Good evening po. Good evening, Judy Rita Vlog. Hi po. Sweet. Thank you po. Thank you sa 21 million in the house. Salamat po kang sa... Thank you.
May wood mo
Assista.
May an
Thank you. Because I have a spot in car. Where are you from? Dick Smith. Hello, sister. Hi, sister. Thank you, team. I have an ibang ko na moderator.
Ito na pero sa ano, ililipat mo sa Diamond Exchange. Tapos ililipat mo naman. Tapos sa pag-save. Ayaw.
Kaya ka na. Pag nag-comment ka, may ano ka. May pa-jacket. Because, where are you from, Dick Smith? Lisa. Thank you po sa thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat sa
Pwede ka mga halimbawa kung nakukutin sa panel. Pwede ka
people in the house.
Adios, sa panel. Pareho man lang yun. Pero wala ka lang bigyan pa sa atin.
Pareho na. Sa inyo na.
Sino ba yan, Nicholas? Baga hindi mo naman gusto.
I-irog ko lang.
Ikaw, bala ka. Magbasahan mo ko na may nag-ano. You're been in Car City. Okay.
Basahan mo ko na ng comment.
Say hi, Henry Metan. Hi, Henry. Hi, Henry. Aray. Thank you. Salamat. Richard, good morning. How are you? Good evening here. Night here in Philippines. Night. Where are you from, Richard Ickerberg? So much. Where are you in USA? Jake Smith. Where are you? Aray. Good morning. How are you? How time is it? Time here 9:54 p.m. I am from California. Hi, shout out to California from Philippines. Thank you. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you so much. Jo Aguilar. Hi, Jo. Hi, Jo. Thank you, Jo. Thank you for the 6 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. You are cute and sexy. Thank you, Richard. Salamat, Richard. How old are you, Richard? Steve, you will say, hi, Steve. How are you, Steve? How are you? Thank you so 9 million. Henry Matan. I'm from Pacific Island, Kiribati. Where Kiribati? What is the country of Kiribati? I am 56. Oh, so young. Are you married, Richard? Have a family, happy family, with kids. Hi, Idol. Ganda mo po. Salamat, Kimbert Guardiano. Salamat, Kimbert. Thank you. I am single. Why are you single, Richard? What happened?
Ikasul pala ka mo dito, Mayla? Ikasul pala ka mo? Ha?
What do you mean? Danan. Thank you so 12 people in the house. I am 28. Ah, you're young in Arimatan. Sexy mo pa rin po, idol. Salamat. Salamat, Kimber. Thank you so much. Zoan, hello, family. Hi, Zoan. Zoan here. Hello, my love. My love. Hi, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. How are you, Jerry? I never married before. Why are you never married? Why never married? Why no marriage? Thank you for the 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I miss you. What happened, Steve? Jerry. Hello, are you Filipino? Yeah, I'm a Filipina. Filipino, pure Filipino. Thank you for the 8 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Salamat. Thank you so 9 people in the house. Salamat. You should have chosen me. Why? Why should I choose you? Hi, Jerry. I thought you have a you have a Filipino wife from Biliran. I think you have a you have a girlfriend. You would have been so much happier. Jerry! Nako, matutoktokan kita. No, I'm single. Why are you single, Jerry? I thought you have a girl here in the Philippines. Bagay po sa inyo yung damit mo, idol. Sexy mo po dyan. Salamat, Kimbert. Thank you, Kimbert. Thank you. Salamat po. I wish you be my girlfriend. I'm not single. I have a boyfriend na. Sorry naman. I am funny, happy person. Wow. Sana all, Jerry. You are a funny, happy person. Hi, my friends. Hey. You remember me? Sorry, I forgot. Who are you? Hi, my friends. Can't remember you. I'm better for you, I promise. Why you say you're better for me? Why you say that? What is your asset? Alana Raymond. Asukal di Papa. Hanip yun na. Thank you sa 15. Thank you sa 15 people in the house. Oh my God. You should at least call me and give me a chance and you will see. Wow, ganda mo panoorin, idol. Salamat, Kimbert. Taga saan ka, Kimbert? Tita, may anak ka po ba? Akin na lang. Isa lang ang anak ko. Isa na nga lang eh. Isa lang nga eh. Not the dog. Why? What happened? Yeah, Jerry, better that he had girlfriend and she dumped her already. Just talk to me one time. Why? Just talk to you one time. Naika BT Idol. Ah, okay. Sheryl took his moderator away. What? Nobody dumped me. I just didn't like the way they acted. What? Ilang taon na tita? 8 years old po. 8 years old. He wants to make me vanish. From birth, nagagandahan po ako sa inyo, idol. Ganda mo po at ang sexy mo po. Sige, sana all, no? No. Thank you so much. Thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, hell no. Why? Why Naughty Dog? Naughty Dog. Why? What happened? Naughty Dog? Thank you for the 10 people here. Thank you so much. Hi, sister. Team, she has the right to choose what is the best for her life. Jerry. I'm taken. Hello. Yes. Jerry Gibao. From team. Thank you, sa 9 thumbs up. Happy. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? Thank you for the 6 people here. Salamat. Thank you. And thank you to sa 10 people here. Salamat. Salamat sa nag-join. Thank you. Where are you live? Where are you live? I live here in the Philippines. Bicol province, Philippines. Where are you from? Efric Carly. Where are you from? You are not married, so you haven't made your final decision. Jerry, she just chose and told you she's taken. Jerry. Where's Tom and Jerry? The Tom and Jerry. You'll fight again? Thank you sa 7 people here. Salamat. I am Pakistan. Okay. Thank you for joining my live here and thank you so much. You are very sexy, girl. Give me please. You're beautiful. Because oh my God, maybe are you Russian, sir? She just chosen. Hi, thank you, Tim. Thank you for the 10 people here. Salamat. And Sheryl, you would be so much happier with me, I promise. Why you say that? Why you say that? I am sleepy now. Charon. Hello. And wait a minute. Just stay calm. Just stay. Relax, guys. Just relax. Just relax. Just fall in love again. Just anyari. So, pwede. Sexy mo po. Salamat, Kimber. Thank you, Kimber. Ano ba? I will come to visit you soon. Wait for my joy. Wait for my joy. Where are you from? Where are you from? Because I am very kind, caring, loving, faithful, honest, and giving, happy, and funny. Grabe, no? Sheryl with Misan hair. You're a very beautiful figure. Thank you so much. So beautiful, sister. Thank you. Nice short email 6. Thank you po, Kimber. Thank you, Kimber. Just fall in love again. Just relax, guys. Relax, guys. Relax. Give me pleasure, beautiful. What? 16 ang short. Thank you, Kimber. Thank you. Please choose who you think is best for you. Hey, Jerry, are you drunk? What do you do all day? Shoe fit, please. No, Junior. You come here, Junior. Just calm down. No. And just falling again. Sanjay. Hi, Sanjay. Thank you sa 10 people. Ito yung thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Sanjay, thank you. Wala. You should talk to me just one time. It's a life choice you are about to make. What? What are you saying, Jerry? How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Joey, she said, calm down. No, obey the calm down. No fight here. Friend Jerry, thank you so much, Jerry, for joining. Maybe are you drunk or what? Good evening, shout out from Iloilo City. Salamat Pinoy Mix DG. Salamat Pinoy Mix DG. Salamat po. Shout out sa mga taga Iloilo City from Bicol, Pilipinas. Are you aunt? Yeah, I aunt. Auntie. Yeah, I'm auntie. Team, no fighting. Yes, no fighting, Jerry. You get married. I will get married soon. Wow. Ano? Convert? Taga din ka, mag... Bicol po. Bicolana. Bicolana si host. Salamat sa 5 people here na. Thank you. Nangyari. Okay, bye, sister. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you for joining. Bye. Hi, 529 Skulking. Hello po. Welcome to my channel. My live streaming here on YouTube. Think of a wonderful love, happiness every day for you and your family. Why? Why you say that, Jerry? Jerry. Jerry, Jerry, Jerry. Asanos compare. Good night. Good night. Good night, FT Car Ali. Good night. Sure, she said stop. Tim. Thank you, Tim. She was sleeping. It was with me. You would always be happy. Why you say that, Jerry, now? I thought we're friends. Why you say that now? I thought you have a Filipina here in Biliran. Then we congratulate you last night. I think last night. Yeah. Then why? What happened? You fight each other? LQ? You can't expect her wishes. Shield. Wait. His acting is stupid. What? Because everyone is always happy around me. No, guys, ano, just calm down, okay? Relax. Relax me. We need to relax everyone here. Just friends. No, she dumped him. She was so happy. Darling, just fall in love again. It's not stupid then to give her a chance at a better, happier life. You can't give me a happy life, Jerry. I know you can't. Thank you so much for the reason people are reading. Listen. Just fall in love again. I can give you a happy, very happy life. How can you give me? How? Uh, and I falling, just fall in love again. Thank you for the 10 people here and 11 thumbs up. Call me and I will explain. You will explain. Just fall in love again. Hanip naman si tita. Hanip naman si tita. Bakit? Bakit? No, Jerry. You're being weird. She won't call you. Bakit? Why na I need to call you? Why we need to, sumasakit ang ulo ko. Oh my gosh. Okay. Team, please. I'm talking to Sheryl. Hala na. Why? What makes me happy, Jerry? What makes me happy? What do you think? What do you think makes me happy? Because if you called me, I know you would be very happy. So she can beg you. He can beg you. Hi po, Tandaman. Hi, Tandaman. Hello. Parang nantok na ako. Cheryl, are you happy with me? Yeah. Yeah, Tim. Happy. Happy life. Happy love. Happy smile. If you call, then he would only be the one happy. If you call, how would you like to feel love every minute of every day? I wait, I need to